If Earth stopped spinning right now, everything on the surface would fly off at 1,600 kilometers per hour.
Today, we're breaking down exactly what would happen, Clogan, second by second, minute by minute.
Right now, Earth spins at 1,600 kilometers per hour at the equator mile, and everything on it moves with it.
What if that, in an instant view, it just stopped?
Every object on the surface, cars, buildings, people, pillars, would launch eastward at hurricane force. It's called inertia current. Objects in motion stay in motion, even when the ground beneath them stops.
Cities near the equator would be hit hardest. The shockwave would flatten everything in seconds.
The atmosphere wouldn't stop with the ground height. It would keep moving, creating global 1,600 kilometers an hour winds.
Megastorms larger than entire continents would form almost instantly across the globe.
Without spin, Earth's oceans would abandon the equator and flood toward the poles, creating one giant superocean.
The equator would dry up tensely, exposing a brand new ring of land around Earth's middle.
Ancient ocean floors, shipwrecks, and sea life tellure, all suddenly exposed under open sky. Meanwhile, the poles would be buried under kilometers of water, hardening, erasing everything beneath them.
Without rotation, one half of Earth bakes in permanent sunlight. The other half freezes in endless night.
The sun side would heat up to 100 degrees Celsius or more, turning entire continents into scorched wastelands.
The dark side would plunge to minus 100 degrees Celsius, an endless frozen wasteland with no sunrise ever again. Only a narrow twilight ring between day and night might remain habitable, Earth's last survivable zone.
Solar radiation would pierce through the atmosphere, bombarding the surface with lethal energy.
Over time, without the magnetic shield, solar winds would slowly strip away Earth's entire atmosphere. Deep inside Earth, a liquid iron outer core spins constantly 10, and that spin is what creates our magnetic field.
As Earth stops spinning, the liquid core slows to tails, and with it, our magnetic shield begins to die.
The sudden stop would trigger massive geological stress and setting off volcanic eruptions across the entire planet.
Magnitude 10+ earthquakes would fracture tectonic plates simultaneously off, reshaping entire continents in minutes.
Without centrifugal force from spin, gravity at the equator would feel noticeably stronger, pulling everything down harder. Earth's equatorial bulge cluster, created by spin flight, would flatten out, triggering massive geological reshaping worldwide.
Global volcanic ash clouds would block sunlight entirely, plunging the world into years of volcanic winter.
And we're only halfway through what would happen. The worst candidate is still coming.
Every power grid, every communication system, every city on Earth, Germany, gone within the first hour. From space, you'd watch every city light on Earth blink out, the planet going completely dark.
Every vehicle moving at the moment of stoppage would become a missile twate. Highways turned into graveyards.
Topsoil across entire continents would be stripped away. Guess, eliminating all farmland and food supply permanently.
Without stable ecosystems, animal species would begin collapsing within days. Mass extinction on every continent.
Plants require alternating day and night cycles grow. Without rotation, all photosynthesis would eventually fail and die.
The only possible survival tape: deep underground bunkers, far from the surface chaos, with independent life support. In the twilight strip, small pockets of humanity might survive to join, but living conditions would be brutal and unstable.
But here's the real question, Tab. Could Earth actually stop spinning? And the answer might surprise you.
Scientists estimate most of humanity would be gone within days to Jora, complete extinction within weeks to months.
But here's the real question, Tab. Could Earth actually stop spinning? And the answer might surprise you. Here's the shocking truth, Dave. Earth is already slowing down, losing about 1.4 milliseconds per century. The moon's gravitational pull creates tidal friction tidal, acting like a brake, slowly dragging Earth's spin to a halt.
This is called tidal locking trails. Eventually, Earth's day would equal one full month, just like the moon already does.
Don't panic, rate. At this rate, Earth won't fully stop for billions of years near.
In roughly 5 billion years, our sun will expand into a red giant, consuming Earth before its spin even fully stops.
A gradual slowdown over millions of years would be very different. life could potentially adapt to longer days.
With 48-hour days, ecosystems would slowly evolve too. Plants growing larger, animals adapting their sleep cycles.
Earth's spin isn't just about day and night, Bay. It controls weather, oceans, magnetism, gravity, and all life itself.
Every sunrise you see is Earth's spin in action. How? A 1,600-kilometer-hour miracle we take for granted every single day.
If this blew your mind, friend, subscribe, because next time we're asking, what if the sun disappeared? See you there.